Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn all about the blur tool, sharpen tool and smudge tool. You can see I have these tools right here. And you can see I have this picture. I will work on this picture and I have downloaded this from unsplash.com. I'm going to take a new layer from here. Always remember, whenever you are working, always work on the new layer. First of all, I will show you how the blur tool works. I'm selecting this blur tool. You have these options, you have size, you have hardness, and you have these brushes right here for the blur tool. I'm selecting one of my hard brush, and you can see I have this mode. I will keep it normal, and you have this strength. And in the previous videos I have shown you that you can sample all layers from here. Now if I work, I'm zooming out, you can see if I work here, this is blurring the photo. This is very simple tool. You can see this is before and this is after. Like this you can use it. I'm deleting this layer for now and I'm making a new layer. I will just blur its background. Guys, in some photos in some photos the camera will give you automatically blur background, but in some photos you have to blur your background, so you can use this tool very easily. Yet I'm just making this video just to teach you, because these tools are in Photoshop, so I have to work on them too. You can see this was before. I'm zooming out more. This was before and this is after. It has blurred much of the image. Now I'm going to make a new layer and I will show you that how this sharpen tool works. Yet I'm going on his face. You can see if you click here, keep on clicking, it is very dangerous tool. You have to work with it very smoothly. You can see you have the same options above. You have sample all layers, protect detail and strength and normal mode. I will work on his hairs. First I'm taking a new layer and now I will work on his hairs. You have to work with it. Guys, you have to work with it very carefully. It can either destroy your photo but this is very useful tool. You can see it is sharpening his hairs. You can see this was before and this is after. Let me show you again. This was before and this is after. It has sharpened his hairs. You can also sharpen the face details, but if you work here too much it will become like zombie type, but you have not to make it like that, so work it with carefully. I'm going to make a new layer and I will show you how this smudge tool works. First of all, I'm going to tell you that the smudge tool is mixing of two colors basically. So if I go into this brush and I make here, I'm just decreasing its size and I make here this, and I'm switching here my colors. If I go and click here this, so with the help of this smudge tool I can mix these two colors. You can see like this you can mix the two colors, and although guys this is used in your some of the paintings, but I don't use this tool as much. I'm deleting this layer for now, and with the help of this same tool I will show you some detail. I will give some of the detail in his face. I'm decreasing its strength. You can see guys, you have to work on a new layer. I have not taken it a new layer, but you have to take the new layer, okay? And you can give your photo the fantastic looks like this. So you can see this was before and this is after. Isn't it so fantastic? Like this you can use guys the blur tool, smudge tool and the sharpen tools. This is very easy and very intricate. Hope you had liked this short tutorial. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll come back with another video. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.